Hi there, Jim Palmer with Motorcycle Agents by the MVP Insurance Agency here. A little about me. I've been assisting riders throughout the United States and Canada with their full coverage insurance policies, extended service plans, tire and wheel protection, loan refinancing, and automobile warranty coverage since 2006. After my enlistment in the United States Marine Corps, my wife and I moved back to Wisconsin to start the next chapter. I spent 10 plus years as the finance manager at a Harley-Davidson dealership before committing full efforts to online motorcycle protection. We've partnered with the best insurance carriers and extended service plan administrators to offer clients unique benefits and coverage 100% online. So whether you're on a stock motorcycle or a fully enhanced and customized with aftermarket components bikes, we've got the right protection fit for you. Let me show you how to get started. Okay, motorcycleagent.com is the starting point for all the plans that we offer, whether we're talking about extended service plans, tire and wheel protection, full coverage insurance, or the motorcycle loan refinancing and purchase options. So let's say we want to figure out what extended service plan is right for us. I'd recommend clicking the protection plans link. This is going to bring you to a comparison of all the plans that we have available, whether that's a Trellis plan, ASC warranty, Eagle Guardian, Eagle Plus. These four options here, you're going to get a good comparison right on this page. Tire and wheel, we're either going to add that on as a standalone plan with Tire Shield here, or it's going to be an add-on to the plan, which is what a Trellis plan would look at. So once you get a general idea of the different plans that were available, whether we're talking about a stock motorcycle or a motorcycle that has just a tuner and exhaust, or maybe you have aftermarket cams, once you get a good idea of what we can do, you want to go ahead and just click the quote ESP now. Now that link is going to bring you to this form that's going to collect the needed information to get you your proposal. Now the asterisk here, these are the fields that are required. Go ahead and fill those out. Give me a guesstimate of what you think the right plan is for you. Available discounts, we do like to take care of our fellow veterans, law enforcement. If you saw our videos on DK Customs, separate discount there for them. And then if we're able to quote the insurance policy, you get a separate quote as well, our discount as well. If you know your VIN, throw the VIN in there that we can get super specific on the pricing, otherwise the year, make, and model, current mileage, if it's under the current factory warranty, or an extended service plan's expiration date will go in this box, and any questions or specific notes. So if you have got an aftermarket cam, if the plans are to do some kind of huge upgrade, put it in that note section. That way we're able to get you back the correct proposal. These are not automated. We're going to send you a customized quote directly to your email, and that's what happens right after you hit the submit quote. If you do have any questions, you can jump on the chat, you can shoot me an email, or give me a call here at 800-920-0890. Now, if you are only looking for insurance, now you might have noticed on the ESP side, we do have the ability to quote full coverage insurance with the extended service plan. But if you're interested in just the insurance, you would want to go ahead and click quote insurance. The big difference between the two forms, I do need, besides the address, which needs to be the physical address, not just a P.O. box, the date of birth, marital status, and gender. We need these few extra pieces in order to quote the insurance. If you've got some extra toys in the garage, the ATVs, the side-by-sides, the snowmobile, we can usually throw those on the same policy and save you some money. We're going to select which carrier you have currently. Having no insurance is fine, not an issue. And then when that current policy's expiration date is. That just helps us dial in advanced quote discounts, bill plan discounts, etc. And then you'll fire that off as well. So looking forward to assisting with your coverage, and we'll go from there. Talk soon.